Okay, welcome back. We're still talking about spiking, specifically footwork in serve receive, and how can we put our hitters in great positions to be more effective or effective. And so we talked about the importance of it, and one of the ways that we can be really effective in the serve receive phase of the game is we can do what we call approach on an angle. And we'll talk about how we do that, but we want to talk first about the benefits of approaching on an angle. And so first, if I'm a wide receiver in football and I'm running this way and I have to catch a ball out here, that's harder than if I have to just catch it right here and it's coming right at me. I'm facing the ball. So in volleyball, there's it's a little bit similar. So if I'm coming into the net and I'm facing the setter a little bit, I'm a little bit opened up to the setter, it's easier for me to pick that ball off as it's coming to me. So that's one reason. Secondly, it increases range, and so I want to put my body in a position that gives me the most shots. So I call it chest to corner. I'm putting my chest is facing the opposite corner on the other side of the net. I want to do this so I can hit line, I can hit cross court, I can have range, and I can hit all of my shots. So approaching on an angle will increase range. It also increases vision. If I come inside out and I'm running this way and the court's over here, somehow that has to have a negative impact on my vision and my ability to see the block. But if I'm coming in on an angle into the court, the whole court's in front of me, my vision's good, and I can see what's going on. It also allows me to adjust. Again, as the example I'm using is if I'm coming inside out, if I want to run this way and then change my direction and go that way, that kills momentum, and it's really hard to adjust. So if I'm running in on an angle and I'm running towards where the general target is of contact, it's easier for me to make these little subtle adjustments and I can keep my momentum going in the same direction. And lastly, torque. It kind of ties in with this first key of if I open up a little bit to the setter, it's kind of putting me in this position to where I can get some rotation going, and torque equals power, and we want to get some of that going. So anyhow, there's lots of reasons why approaching on an angle puts our hitters in a position to be more effective.